So hello everyone. So in this video again we'll do some basic Pandas practices for our datasets. So in this video I would use this food.tsv dataset that you will get from my GitHub repo, or you can download this from this Kaggle link. Okay. So first we'll import our Pandas and NumPy library. Then we'll simply assign our dataset to this food variable. Then we start do some analysis. So see the first 5 entries. For that simply we'll use the head keyword. Okay, then we have what is the number of observation in the datasets. For that we'll simply use the shape keyword, food.shape. It giving us all the rows and columns numbers, and if you want to have the number of shape only, then shape 0. Yeah. Now what is the number of columns in the datasets? Number of columns. So for that food.shape of 1. All right. Okay, so now print the name of all the columns. So for all the columns, what we'll do, simply food.columns, and it will print all the column names. Then we have what is the name of 105th column. So that food.columns 104. It will give us the name of the 104th column, which is glucose underscore 100 gram. Then step 9, we have what is the type of the observation of the 105th column. So okay, so simply put dot t type of this. So the data type for glucose underscore 100 gram is float. Now we have how is the dataset indexed. To see the indexation, we'll use food.index, and it will give us a range of, so the dataset starts from 0 and stops at 3,12,700 across 700 with step 1. The last we have what is the product name of the 19th observation. So 19th observation means 18th row. Yeah, means 18th row, right? So food dot values of 18 and 7, and this will give us value of lotus, organic, brown, jasmine, rice. Yeah, so thanks for watching.